Welcome to SmartLife AI. Here are powerful AI hacks you can use every day. Artificial intelligence is no longer something reserved for programmers or tech companies. Today, AI has become a practical everyday tool that anyone can use to save time, stay organized, and make life much easier. In this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful and practical AI life hacks that can save you hours every single week. These tools and techniques are simple, effective, and perfect for everyday routines, whether you're a student, working professional, or someone trying to be more productive. Let's get started. One of the most effective ways to save time is by letting AI plan your day for you. Hack 1. AI Daily Planner to organize your day. Tools like Notion AI, Motion AI, and Reclaim automatically create a schedule based on your tasks, calendar events, focus time, and deadlines. You simply give the AI your to-do list, and it builds the perfect schedule, hour by hour. If a meeting gets added or something changes, the AI automatically reorganizes your day so you stay on track. This eliminates the mental energy of planning your day and helps you focus on actually getting things done. Hack 2. AI Email Assistant for faster communication. Email can take up a huge chunk of your day, especially if you work in a corporate environment. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Superhuman AI can write, rewrite, and summarize emails instantly. Just tell the AI what the email is about, and it will generate a clear and professional message. You can also ask it to adjust the tone to be formal, friendly, or concise. This hack reduces the time you spend composing emails and replying to messages. It's one of the fastest ways to increase productivity. Hack 3. AI Summaries for documents and videos. We live in a world full of long documents, PDFs, and lengthy videos. Instead of reading or watching everything, use AI summarizers like Perplexity, ChatGPT, Claude, Liner, or even browser extensions. Paste a link or upload a file, and the AI will give you key points, main ideas, bullet summaries, action items, and even explanations. This helps you understand information quickly without spending hours going through long content. It's especially useful for studying, research, or corporate work. Hack 4. AI Meal Planning for efficient cooking. Meal planning can take a lot of time and energy, especially when you run out of ideas. Tools like Whisk AI, Chef GPT, and ChatGPT meal planners can generate weekly meal plans based on your preferences, diet, and ingredients you already have. They also create a grocery list for you automatically. You can even ask the AI for quick 10-minute recipes or low-budget meals. This hack reduces stress and helps you stay consistent with your food routine. Hack 5. AI for home management and organization. Keeping track of chores, bills, and household tasks can be overwhelming. Apps like Toady, Any.do, and Google Assistant AI allow you to automate reminders for cleaning, organizing, decluttering, laundry cycles, and even routine maintenance like changing filters or checking appliances. You can also create family schedules, shared lists, and recurring routines. AI helps you keep your home running smoothly without forgetting important tasks. Hack 6. AI Personal Tutor for learning and growth. Whether you want to learn a new skill or improve at work, AI-powered tutors are incredibly effective. Tools like Conmigo, ChatGPT, and Duolingo Max can explain concepts in simple language, give you practice questions, and adapt to your learning speed. You can ask AI to explain complex topics, create step-by-step guides, test you with quizzes, provide examples, break down confusing ideas. Learning becomes personalized and efficient, helping you grow faster in your career or studies. Hack 7. AI Money Manager for financial tracking. Managing money manually can be tiring and stressful. Tools like Copilot Money, Rocket Money, and budgeting apps can track your expenses, analyze spending patterns, and alert you about subscriptions or unusual transactions. AI can also show you where you're overspending and where you can save more. It's like having a smart financial assistant that keeps an eye on your budget. Hack 8. AI Second Brain for note and task management. One of the most powerful uses of AI is building your own second brain. Tools like Notion AI and Obsidian AI help you store your notes, tasks, ideas, reminders, bookmarks, and plans in one organized space. The AI then helps you search through everything, create connections between notes, generate summaries, plan projects, organize thoughts. This keeps your mind free and helps you stay productive without feeling overwhelmed. Hack 9. AI automation for repetitive tasks. Many daily tasks don't need your manual involvement. Using AI automation tools like Zapier, Make.com, and IFTTT, you can automate small repetitive actions. For example, you can automate saving email attachments, adding tasks to to-do apps, backing up files, posting content, sending reminders, sorting emails, logging expenses. Once you set up these automations, they run quietly in the background and save you hours every week. Hack 10. AI Travel Planner for smart trip planning. Travel planning takes a lot of research and time. Tools like Roam Around AI and Wonderplan create an entire travel itinerary for you in seconds. You can ask AI for places to visit, best restaurants, local experiences, kid-friendly spots, budget-friendly plans, outdoor activities, full day-by-day itineraries. This hack helps you plan smarter and enjoy your trips without stress. Outro. When you put all these AI life hacks together, you'll notice a big difference in how efficiently your daily routine runs. AI becomes your planner, your assistant, your tutor, and your organizer, all working quietly in the background. You save more time, reduce stress, and live a much smarter lifestyle. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to subscribe for more AI tools and productivity ideas. This is SmartLife AI, helping you live better with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.